Hello, hello. Next up, nice and quick, the bride's bouquet. Now we have 2 peonies here. It's gonna be a very simple bouquet. I'm gonna use peonies, some roses, and some lilacs. Okay, so we start with one of them. Add a rose. Add a second rose. I want the roses at the back to be higher because when the bride holds it against her, she's not holding it too far out. It's closer to her, it's more personal. So I like the flowers at the back to show more. Some lilacs, beautiful lilacs. I like to have this lighter rose in the middle instead. And there we go. Lilacs on the side. We're just going to surround this with lilacs. Like that. I'm going to add another lighter rose, light color rose in the middle. Look at this beautiful color combination. More lilacs. To have one on the side here. There we go. So as you can see, it's taller at the back. So when the bride is holding it, I should tape this up first. So when the bride is holding it, it's closer to her. It's more personal. I love working with big flowers, especially for the spring and the summer, because it doesn't, as you can see, it's nice and big and it doesn't require a lot of blooms. That's it. I'm pretty happy with this shape. And then we'll tape it up. Let's go around a few times. Okay, after using this floral tape, I like to use the waterproof tape. Just to make sure it's nice and secure. You don't want the bouquet to be coming apart during the wedding, of course. How's this? And sometimes, well, more often than not. After taping, the flowers, the blooms will move, the stems will move a bit. So I go back and I fix it. Sometimes if I see gaps after taping, I will have to fill in the gaps if there are any. There we go. Okay, and to finish off, I put the ribbons around the stem, the tape, around the tape. I usually use a thicker ribbon than this. So I'll just go around a couple of times, or a few times actually. Make the ribbon area bigger than the tape area, so that when the bride is holding the bouquet, in case there are any thorns left, in case I didn't clean it off good enough, the bride won't have thorns in her hands on her wedding day. So I'll switch for a thicker ribbon, but this is the idea. Okay, and then you just put pins to hold the ribbon together. And that's it. Hope you like it.